Welcome to Aspire Techsoft, your trusted partner in advancing your career in data analytics and clinical research. If you are looking to build a strong foundation in SAS programming, you are in the right place. Aspire Techsoft is proud to be an authorized training provider for SAS, the global leader in analytics and data management solutions. Whether you are an aspiring data scientist, clinical researcher, or business analyst, our SAS training programs are designed to give you the skills you need to excel in today's data-driven world. So friends, in today's video, we will discuss whether you should choose a career in clinical SAS or not. If you are already pursuing it, what are the reasons? If you are not, what are the reasons? Secondly, we will discuss the educational requirements to determine if you are eligible based on your background. And thirdly, we will talk about when you should start learning it, whether you are in college, a student, or already working. Let's first discuss why you should choose clinical SAS as a career. So the first point is that the clinical research industry, especially the clinical SAS programmer role or statistics programmer role, is one of the highest paying jobs. Now, since this is a high paying role, if a private company is offering you a good salary, there must be a reason for it. They won't just offer you a high salary without any reasoning. So this role is quite valuable. This is a great role to learn a lot and grow professionally. Moreover, if you plan to work abroad or in other countries, this role has a good demand and offers a high salaries internationally as well. The clinical research industry is quite stable, and in the data analysis field, there is a high demand for professionals. Clinical SAS professionals are especially in demand as their expertise is tied to the specific industry. Now let's talk about the educational requirements. If you have a background in a life sciences, statistics, mathematics, healthcare, or clinical research, then you will be given first preference. However, many candidates from non-relevant backgrounds have successfully transitioned into clinical SAS, as companies often don't focus solely on educational background but on the candidate's skill and training. So if you have already decided that you want to pursue clinical SAS, the next question is when should you start learning it? Let's say person A researched during college about the career opportunities and started preparing early. By the time they graduated, they were well prepared and had already revised the material several times. They gave interviews and got selected for the role. On the other hand, person B only realized later that they wanted to pursue this career and started learning after college. Both situations can work well, but it's better to start early. Once you have decided to learn, you should not delay. Even if you are in the first, second, or third year of college, start learning as soon as possible, or at least by final year of your graduation. Even after graduation, you can start learning and still land a job. Generally, after you start learning, it takes about 4 months of training, followed by 4 to 5 months for job applications, which means it can take 8-9 months in total to secure a job. Some people might get a job in 4 to 5 months, but typically it takes around 8 months. So in summary, patience is the key to succeeding in this role. So friends, visit www.aspireit.net to learn more and get started today. Thank you.